Whoa, what up? What's that? You already know the drill. Look, before we get started, man, y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, turn your notifications on so you can know when the kid drop a video. Now, what we got today, you see the box. Got this old classic box. Well, not classic, but same box that came with the, what it was, the green, whatever. I don't remember. But anyway, here's the box, man. I forgot what you called the sixes that they had dropped, man. But here's the box. As you can see, you got the Air Jordan 11 Retro Low. This is the Air Jordan Low Jeter. I'm saying, now opening the box, you see you got the black paper and then you got the white paper. So it's double wrapped. You know what I'm saying? So let's get into the kicks, man. Enough of the box, man. We ain't gonna wear the box anyway. So here it is, the Air Jordan 11 Low Retro Jeter. It's a dope little shoe. Wish they would have gave us the high top like the ones that dropped before, but once again, we got to settle for what they give us, man. I'm looking around the shoe, you see that nice high quality suede. Right here on the back, you see the number 2 and the Jumpman stitched in. Here's a look at that all white bottom. Kind of like a milky bottom. See that carbon fiber plate. I mean, it's a dope shoe, man. Nice quality suede on these things, man. You know what I'm saying? So looking on the inside of this shoe, which is the left shoe, you see the Respect. Across the top, you got the Jordan Jumpman tag. And again, on the back, you see that number 2 and the Jumpman. They both stitched in. I mean, it's dope, man. Let me know what y'all think. I'll tell you what, though. I can't stand these laces, man. These got to come out of here ASAP. You know what I'm saying? Now, on the inside, these do come with their own shoe trees. Not the cardboard like come with all the other 11. So I guess they decided to step it up. On the inside, you see the Respect with the 2 on the inside of it. I mean, I think it's dope, man. You know, now, will I cop me a pair? Probably not. I'm not sure yet. You know what I'm saying? But I still think it's a dope shoe, man. Like I say, man, I wish they'd have had the high for us, man. Now, here's a look at those other laces. Some nice fire blue rope laces. On the top of this shoe, you got the Respect. And on the inside, you have number 2. Other than that, man, everything is the same. You know what I mean? Dope shoe. You know, let's look at that milky sole on the bottom again. And the carbon fiber plate. I mean, man, y'all already probably done saw the reviews. Let me give you a closer look up at that suede. Look at that, man. That's nice. That's nice quality suede on these right here, man. You know what I'm saying? So let me know what y'all think in the comments, man. You feeling them? You're not? You gonna pass? You missed out? There's those rope laces. And I didn't show you this time when I showed the bag. They do have the Nike sign on the other side of the bag. You know what I mean? Because you know how these cats on YouTube quick to try to discredit you like you rocking fakes or something wrong with your shoes. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, yeah, man, like I said, man, I think it's a dope shoe. Super dope. You know what I'm saying? I wish they would have gave us the mids. Like the ones that originally surfaced that's going for what? $20,000-$30,000 now online? Ridiculous. But yeah, here's a look at the back. Both of the shoes together. You know, I think I mean, man, I think it's dope, man. I don't know how these gonna do. I know a lot of people that I talk to, they really gonna pass on these because, you know, this all suede upper. You know what I mean? Like, some people don't like to get caught out, like maybe in the bad weather with a shoe like this. I'm the same way. You know what I'm saying? I try to judge my footwear when, you know, on the weather. You know what I'm saying? If it's raining, I try to put me on some patent leather. You know what I'm saying? Or something like that, you know, but I really try to skip the rain when I'm wearing a suede shoe. You know what I'm saying? So I say skip the rain. Well, I can't skip the rain, but you know what I'm saying. Try not to wear a suede shoe if I get the vibe that it's gonna rain or whatever, you know what I'm saying? So there's that top view of the shoe. I think it's pretty dope. You know, I'm feeling the color. I'm feeling the way they put it together. I already told y'all the problem I have with it, but Other than that, man, it's a dope shoe to me. I'm feeling it. Still don't know if I'm a copy yet. A pair for myself. But it is what it is, man. You know, so, yeah, man, let me know what y'all think, man. You know, oh yeah, thank y'all for helping me reach the 1,000 subscriber mark, man. It took long enough, though, you know what I'm saying? But, yeah, man, we're going to keep it pushing. We're going to keep it moving, man. And hopefully we could grow, you know what I'm saying? So, with that being said, man, y'all make sure y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Turn your notifications on so you can know when I drop another video, you know what I'm saying? But, yeah, I mean, I'm just giving y'all a look at the shoe, man. But you know what? I'm going to do a little bit better than that. I'm going to take it outside and let y'all see the shoe. Give you a better little view outside, you know what I'm saying? So let's go ahead and take it outside, man. Okay, as you can see, you know, it's might not be that much of a difference from what you saw inside, you know what I'm saying? But here it is, outside view. Get you a better look at this suede. I see my shadow is casting over the shoe, but it is what it is, man. We ain't worried about that. You know what I'm saying? But all around dope shoe, man. I'm feeling it. My only gripe with the shoe is I wish it was a mid. So other than that, man, I think it's dope. I think it's fire. It should sell out. I heard that a couple of pairs still sitting. I don't know, because I've never been to the store yet. You know what I'm saying? So, I guess we just gonna have to see how I do, man. Oh, and if y'all hear some noise in the background, man, they're doing some construction outside my home, man. So, you know, excuse that, you know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna try to get that out of there before I upload the video. But let's get into that on foot.